Okay, and we are back. So again, this is another step that was not in the packet, okay? But if you are able to draw a regular window, okay, or even a box, a poster, then you can draw a skylight, okay? So we're going to talk about drawing a skylight inside the ceiling here, okay? You don't have to draw a skylight. Other options, you could draw a ceiling, draw a ceiling fan. So in this example, the person actually did both. They drew a skylight and they also drew some ceiling lights. I do want to caution you, as beautiful as this design is, be very careful. I can tell by looking at this that this line here was not drawn straight with a ruler. Okay, same thing with here. She may have actually done this intentionally, I'm not sure. Okay, but be very careful when you're drawing your lines. Okay? Alright, so what we're going to do to start is we're going to draw a line going up from our vanishing point to the ceiling. Now we don't want it to be touching this line here. We want it to be a little bit down. Okay, it depends how big your skylight is. I'm going to draw this fairly big just to kind of show you. Okay, I'm going to draw about here. Okay, I'm going to stop. So I didn't draw it all the way to my vanishing point. Okay, I know I'm lined up with my vanishing point. I can draw it all the way here, but it's just one extra thing that you're going to need to erase. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing on this side here. I'm going to kind of eyeball it. Okay, I'm probably going to have to go back and erase a little bit, but that's okay. I'm going to line up these two lines here. Okay, so again, it was a little bit off. I'm just going to erase that bottom part. And now I'm going to line this up on the top. Okay, and again, I went a little too far, so I'm just going to erase a little bit right there. And you know what? Just so I can make sure this is nice and straight, because I want these lines straight. I'm just going to go over this in Sharpie so you could see it more clearly. And outline it. Okay, again, you're working in pencil. Okay, I'm doing this in Sharpie just so that you could see more clearly. Okay, so my skylight, okay, I'm almost done. I actually need to draw a box within this box now, okay, and then I'm going to actually corner it off so it looks like it's on the inside. So I need to take my T-square, line it up at the vanishing point, and I'm going to draw a parallel line going straight across like this. And then I'm going to draw one on the other side about the same width. A little bit more on this side. Okay. Now, because this is kind of the front here and we're viewing from this side, I'm not going to see an inside line on the top. I'm going to see a little bit of a line going across here. So I'm going to turn my paper. I'm going to line this up, make sure it's straight, and I'm going to draw a line going across this. Okay, so I'm just going to erase this here. Okay, the last thing I need to do is just draw a line going from the edge from here to here. This way we can see the inside part of the skylight. Okay, and what you probably want to do, okay, when you're coloring is maybe color this in blue here. just so that it looks like the sky. I'm just going to quickly go over these lines in Sharpie so you can see them a little bit more clearly. All right. And there you have it, a skylight.